To share internet of your Google Pixel 10 Pro to other devices, start by opening Settings. Next, go to the Network and Internet and go to the Hotspot and Tethering. Right now, before you turn it on, you have to open it and customize up to your preferences. So what you can do, you can change the hotspot name by clicking over here. Also, you can change hotspot password, which is pretty long with some random characters. So if you want to get easy password, then you have to change it. And you can also turn off that feature to turn off hotspot automatically when there are no devices connected. And over here you can also change its speed, but it's not compatible with all devices. You have to remember about this one. And also, as you can see, we got the highest WPA3 personal, so I will stay with this security. And now click on this feature to turn it on. When you turn it on, then this icon will appear over here. It will announce you that hotspot is activated, and by clicking here you can generate QR code by inputting your screen lock, and then you can allow someone to quickly scan to connect.